How to sign in or log in to YouTube TV. Now, first of all, if you're going to be using the web version of YouTube TV from a specific or a browser you preferred, then logging in or signing in is very easy. So first things first is access your preferred web browser and then head directly to tv.youtube.com. To sign in is usually located or be visible at the top right portion of your screen. It is located usually left side from a certain trial of 21 days for $0 and YouTube TV. Just click on the sign in option right here and you will be redirected to the login page. Now, if this option is not visible or not showing on your screen, what you want to do is just to go on the three dots on your current browser and then just head directly to the settings, and then on settings just go to privacy and security, and in here you just have to delete current browsing data. And once everything is done, just have to go back to YouTube TV's site and just refresh the page. And that's how you logged in or sign in to YouTube TV.